here is the Slouchy family at my house. Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about Portland leather goods and specifically Portland leather goods slouchy bags. And if you want to get more specific than that, specifically large slouchy bags, because that's what I have. I want to share my Portland leather goods slouchy collection with you because I have a brand new edition. First, let's unbox the brand new edition, and then I want to show you the whole collection. These bags are some of my favorites, and I hope through this video you'll see why. Oh, also, I started a Buy Me a Coffee page. It's linked down below. If you go that route and support my channel a little, you might get a shout out in an upcoming video. One of my favorite YouTubers of all time used to do that, and I thought it was super fun. So this slouchy came to me via eBay, and actually 3 of my 4 slouchies were bought secondhand, pre-loved, because that is how I roll. If I can, I love to buy things secondhand, pre-loved, and for less than brand new. The seller did a great job of protecting it on its way here. It looks like she even put it in a dust bag. Oh, it feels really nice. Here we are. This is the newest large slouchy to my collection in the color Night Owl. And this large slouchy happened to come with a little friend. This is a mockingbird, also in the color Night Owl. Now, Night Owl is a beautiful navy bluish dark gray. I want to stuff her a little bit because right now she's a little bit flat from being shipped. Then we'll look at the features of the large slouchy. Actually, before I stuff the bag, let me just show you the inside so that you're familiar with what's inside the slouchy. Pretty much absolutely nothing. There's no pockets on either side. It's just an open cavity. And I think it has to be that way because the slouchy, you'll see in a minute, slouches. Makes sense. And the only way it could do that is if there's not pockets on the sides. Pockets on the sides would make the sides more rigid and less soft, and then you'd lose the slouch. Be back in a minute. Let me put some paper inside. Sorry about wearing a shirt that matches the bag again. It doesn't make the contrast very nice, does it, for the video? The slouchy is just kind of a rectangular or slightly trapezoidal bag. But when you have your stuff in her and you put her on your shoulder, she slouches quite a bit. And I think that is such a cute feature. Now, right now, she just is stuffed with paper, so she's kind of squishy and lighter weight. When you have your stuff in this bag, it's gonna hang really nicely. It is such a comfortable carry. The strap is wonderful, and it's just such an easy, carefree, relaxed bag. I love the slouchy. Now I have another video on me unboxing the Bacalar slouchy that I'm going to show you in a minute. And that has a lot more details about the slouchy and how you can wear it and details of how this little buckle clasp adjustment thing works. So you can check out that video and that might be helpful as well. But for right now, I just wanted to share the quick unboxing and then, of course, my collection of 4. Now I'm careful not to say my collection is complete, but I would say it's pretty close to complete for the large slouchy. I think I have a wonderful array of colors, and there's maybe only one other color that I'd be interested in, and that was maybe Empire. But you know what? I have a Naomi in Empire already, and so I don't know, that might just kind of fill that need. I think the slouchy is also very cute from the side because the strap actually continues all the way down the bag to this seam here. I just think that's a really nice detail. And then this is the side that the strap kind of buckles through, these 2 rings. And then this is where you can adjust it. I like to wear it on the longest setting. It just gives me lots of room to get my arm through if I'm wearing a heavy coat or heavy sweater. And I just kind of like where it lands on me on the longest setting, but you can definitely mess around with that on yours. And then I also just prefer the large to the small because there's just this extra amount of leather that I think really adds to the slouch factor. Isn't she cute and fun? And we should not neglect the little guy that came along with her. This is a mockingbird in the color Night Owl. If you're not familiar with the mockingbird, it's just a little clip-on piece of bag flair that you can add to any bag. And it's actually a little pocket pouch right here. Now you can't fit much in there. I can't fit my favorite tin of lip balm in there, but what I can fit is my little purse hook that I take with me when I go to restaurants or anything. That way I can hook it on the table and hang my purse from the table instead of setting it on the floor. So actually the Mockingbird to me is kind of a practical pouch. It took me a minute to figure out what I could use it for, but now that I've figured it out, I just love it. Hey, really quick, if you're enjoying this video, I just wanted to remind you, I am a Portland Leather Goods affiliate. I love the brand. I have a 30% off link to share with you. You can use it as many times as you like, any day that you like. You can stack it with your rewards points, your gift cards, and your treat credits. So it's a really great deal for you, and it helps support me and the channel. Thank you to those who've been using it and continue to use it. It really means a lot. If you want to check it out, it's down below. Happy shopping. Here is the Slouchy family at my house. We have a large Slouchy in the color Orchid. We have a large Slouchy in the beautiful color Golden. We have a large Slouchy in the amazing green Bacalar. And we have a large Slouchy in Night Owl. Now in a moment I will do some color comparisons for Night Owl because it's kind of an elusive color. There's a lot of questions in the insiders group about Night Owl and how it compares with other colors, so we'll do that in a second. But first, let's just admire this Slouchy family. Aren't they beautiful? I actually love each and every one of these colors very much. So enjoyable to wear. And that's one thing I love about Portland Leather Goods is the array of colors that things come in. So much joy. I get so much joy from color. The other thing that brings me joy is leather variation, and I just want to look at this Slouchy. I have a whole video about this Slouchy as well and how I turned her all the way inside out to soften her up. But isn't she beautiful? Orchid has that mottled texture and color variation. Lovely. And here's Golden once more. I believe I have a video all about this Golden Slouchy too, so you can see a lot more detail about this bag in that video. I'll be linking all of my Slouchy videos up in this corner so that as you're watching, you can just open them in a new tab and watch them after this if you like. So this is Golden. Here is Bacalar, and again, that Slouchy video has been linked already. Bacalar is such a great color. I think very underrated. But like not a lot of tonal variation, if you know what I mean. It's a very solid Crayola crayon green. And then our latest addition, Night Owl. She's so pretty. I can't believe the shirt bag matching moment that's happening here. Did not do that on purpose. So let's look at Night Owl as a leather. Night Owl is a pebbled leather. I'm going to bring her close. And this Night Owl in particular has some cool kind of texture, and I love that in a bag, as you probably already know. Just gorgeous. So pretty. Let's see how Night Owl compares to a couple other Portland Leather Goods colors that you could be familiar with. So here is Night Owl compared to Cobalt. You can see Cobalt is just much bluer for sure, and Cobalt can kind of tend to lean a little purpley in its blue. So Cobalt over here, this is a medium August tote, and then Night Owl in the Slouchy. Here is the beautiful large koala bag in Merino blue compared to Night Owl. And these aren't really similar colors. I'm just trying to give you an opportunity to see the color and how it shows up compared to other colors you might have around. So obviously this is much more true blue, and this is definitely navy. Lastly, here's Night Owl compared to Pebbled Black. Now, Pebbled Black obviously is just black. And Night Owl can sort of pass as a black or a very dark graphite gray, but hopefully you can tell that there's some bluer tones in there too. Beautiful, beautiful color, Night Owl, and so soft. I actually have a Night Owl Lola, and one of the things that I love about my Night Owl Lola is the inside of it. Every time I reach in to get something, it's just so soft. It's so lovely. So here's one more mod shot before we go. Just a really great bag, the Slouchy. And you can wear it this way with those cute little metal trees showing, or if you're not a metal tree fan, you can wear it this way. And that actually enables you to add some flair here if you're a right shoulder carry person like I am. Thank you, kind seller on eBay. I really appreciate you being willing to let go of this bag, and I felt like I got a good deal on it. I hope it was a good deal for you as well. What a beautiful leather, Night Owl. Just so gorgeous. And this bag in particular has just a lovely texture about it. If I haven't said thank you enough, I just want to say thank you again for watching and being here with me today. We'll see you next time. Bye.